guys, welcome back to the returning subscribers, and if you're new, you know what to do. Click that subscribe button and make sure you hit that bell notification option to stay updated on all my new uploads too. Now recently I did an unboxing and review on this mini retro 620 game Nintendo clone video games console. I'm out of breath. It was indeed a lot of fun and full of nostalgia. But today I got my hands on this handheld 168 game Nintendo Game Boy clone. Woo! I have to thank GearBest.com for sending me this handheld console today. They have some interesting tech, gadgets with affordable prices, offers and international shipping too. This handheld console right now has a low budget price of £15 to £20. That's around 19 to 26 in US dollars. Outside the box, everything is matte black, with a little outline of the console to the front. It states it has a 2.8 inch TFT screen, and we pretty much knew it. Well, it has 8-bit classic games included. Like I stated, it has 168 of these games, and as I'm impatient and eager to get playing, let's just delve inside. Inside the box, oh, okay, so this retro console is in bright yellow. Now I know for a fact that indeed you can get this console in numerous colours, like red, black and classic Game Boy grey. It comes in this minimalistic plastic protection, so it should be fairly safe during transit. Underneath we have a very simple user manual, a USB cable for charging, an AV cable to connect to a TV, and a rechargeable lithium-ion battery. This console is light. It weighs around 220 grams. To the front we have arrow direction keys, just here. To the right we have A, B, X, Y game keys, the reset button to the centre top, select and start buttons to the bottom left, and a speaker just here to the bottom right hand corner. Moving over to the top there is the power switch, a charge cable insert, TV output, to the left a volume control wheel, and to the rear the opening for the battery, which I'll just insert just now. Let's go ahead and power it on. I'm going to keep the screen protector on the 2.8 inch screen, and right away we are greeted with the front menu, which we have 2 languages to choose from. Which shall I choose from? Oh, I wonder. Well, I think I'm gonna choose English. Okay, so we can already see that there's loads of Mario games included. There's also lots of classics here, but you know what? Get your fingers ready and get ready to pause. Here's a super quick flash of all the games included. Okay, so did you get that? Nope? Oh well, let me choose a game and see how this console responds.
Super Mario Bros. Plays fine. The graphics are not as clear as the original, but it's still okay. Sonic brought back all those memories of not having a save function. And yes, it doesn't have a save function on this console. I did feel frustrated getting to the later levels when all the lives ran out. It does have some memorable games which are fun to play, like Tekken 2, Spider-Man, and honestly, you can't remember Pac-Man Mania.
Oh yeah.
Everything is clean and clear with the 2.8 inch TFT screen. Button control feels real good, sturdy and precise. Just not my gameplay though. We've got Donkey Kong just there. Wow, now this takes me back.
I was never good at that game.
So if you want to play on a bigger screen, simply attach the AV cable to your TV, and before long you'll be experiencing some retro games for other people to sit and watch.
Yeah. Kawabunga. Yeah.
So it says that the turtles are enjoying their vacation. Yeah, he's going to get some real good tan marks just there with his Zaro mask on, isn't he?
This is kind of pixelated. Come on, dude. Come on, foot soldiers. Let's have it now. Oh, you got wiped out straight away, mate. You come here climbing that pole in gym. Oh, this is coming out of nowhere. Like Spider-Man. Check these out, purple Spider-Mans. Yeah, man, just come on. Change your rooms. Spin an ice cream. Get an ice cream, man. These guys will be burning up in that suit on the beach. Yeah, man, just pull those stars at me. What are you doing? Got some money. What? Ice cream? No. Jumping like some Spice Girl.
Okay, so what do I think of this retro handheld Game Boy style console? First of all, the gameplay was really good and I played with this console for a good couple of hours. I really did love it. While taking my son to football practice, my little girl was alongside me and actually put her phone down for once. Wow. What a miracle.
We're at football training right now, and yeah, she thought she'd bring the console along with her. Track and field, seriously? Are you an 80s kid?
Maybe.
Maybe you're going forward in time in the DeLorean.
At least on that one.
So what do you think so far of this game?
Fun.
Fun?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
She's actually gone quiet, she's in focus mode. And it's kept her busy for 57 minutes. In the console down, let me have a look at the lights. The light shines through the side of the box, doesn't it? Well, not too bad though.
The sound of this console is really loud, clear and adjustable. I do at times though wish that it did come with a headphone jack included. Like I stated, the buttons were real fine, but I must admit it was rather hard to see the embedded writing on the console case. Another irritating thing is the language selection menu that always appears after pressing the reset button. I do wish you could just somehow have a default setting for this. And lastly, the screen is bright and clear. It does dim when the battery is low, however the brightness of the screen is not adjustable. So in whole, I really like this console. I mean, for the price I think it would be a suitable present, say for a stocking filler for Christmas, or even a Secret Santa gift at work. I know I would appreciate it, and as I said, this also comes in different colours. But you know what, that's the thing, what would I really give this handheld console out of a rating out of 10? Well, drum rolls please! But like I said, I really like this product. I do think the graphics are a bit pixelated compared to the original version, but they are bright and clear. But you know what, after careful consideration, I think I've really got to give this console a rating of 8 out of 10. So what I'll do guys is I'll leave a link for this product within the video description down below. I'll also go ahead and link some suggested gaming consoles which I personally will choose. I know Christmas is coming around the corner, so yeah, go get yours. And as usual, please go ahead and share this video wherever possible, I really would appreciate it. Please smash that like button, subscribe, keep in mind to hit that bell notification option to stay updated on all my new uploads. I'll see you guys over on my next video coming soon. And well, thanks for watching. Peace!